Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a simple tutorial on how you can place manual orders on CJ Dropshipping. Essentially, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can access the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, how we can choose products, sourcing items to fulfill, selecting exact variants, until we can approve and finalize the manual orders. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, you would have to head over to CJdropshipping.com and then log into your account dashboard. And this houses all of the core order, inventory and tracking functionalities, which gives us a unified kind of control. Once you've logged in, click on orders to expand the section and then click on import orders. This will transport you to the advanced order management portal to begin constructing your customized manual order. And then from there, take a moment to overview the dashboard, and here you can track existing orders, configure automated order settings, process bulk uploads, and dive into detailed analytics on customer geography plus any purchasing behaviors. Now, within the order dashboard, identify the create orders by searching products panel. This grants access to search and select specific items to manually order. You can browse products preloaded into your import catalog or click all products to search CJ Dropshipping's full merchandise database if you need to source a brand new item. This all products universal inventory unlocks over 300 categories spanning over 10 million product variants. So if you need to quickly fulfill a one-off customer request for niche items outside your core offerings, then you have full flexibility here. There is no need to initially load each SKU within your main catalog. For products that you've ordered previously, you can also search manually by entering the SKU number directly, and this allows pinpoint access to reorder prior items in just seconds. Once you've located the base product that you wish to manually order, click the plus button to open the variant selection drop-down menu. This allows you to narrow down the precise version needed, whether a specific size, color, style, or any other attribute. Carefully choosing the perfect variant is crucial for fulfilling customer expectations and preventing any returns. So closely analyze the available versions against prior notes from a customer's special request or your intended testing purpose. This will help you identify the ideal match. After identifying the perfect product variant for your manual order, click Add next to the shopping bag icon to add it into your fulfillment request. Visually confirm the selection by clicking the shopping bag itself. Review the item name, SKU, quantity, and other order details for accuracy, and then click Next to proceed. The order details page features two key sections: the customer information on the right and the payment information on the left. So first of all, enter your customer's shipping address, contact details like email and phone number, plus any special order instructions to assist with the fulfillment on the right side. On the left, your merchant account billing details should auto-populate at the top. So verify for accuracy and then enter the payment method and details tied to the manual order. This includes any discount codes, external transaction IDs, and the total amount to charge. After that, carefully review both left and right sides containing your business billing specifics, plus customer shipping and payments information. After that, click confirm to officially submit this manual order request into the CJ Dropshipping processing system. You will see an on-screen confirmation with the order ID number. I would recommend bookmarking this for tracking purposes later. After that, we want to approve and finalize manual orders. So navigate back to dropship orders in the left sidebar menu. Locate the custom manual order that you just submitted and then check the box next to it. And this will flag it as authorized and ready for fulfillment. Finally, click submit for the manual order to get to CJ Dropshipping's finalization sequence, and in moments you will receive an official order confirmation email detailing the purchase plus expected fulfillment timeline. And you will be all set. As you can see, constructing specialized manual orders is straightforward within CJ Dropshipping, unlocking the flexibility to meet customer needs while making everything very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.